Hello, brief calculus students. I was asked about your homework 11.6, number 7. So use implicit differentiation to find the expression of the slope in terms of x and y, so we don't care about the point in part A. In part B, we're asked for the equation of the tangent line at the indicated point of the graph. So in this case, we do care about the point 1, negative 2. So we take this equation, 4x squared plus 2y squared plus 12, or equals 12, take the derivative with respect to x. So derivative of the first plus derivative of the second and derivative of the third. If we just look at derivative of 4x squared, we get 8x, and then derivative of x with respect to x, that's just 1, so it simplifies down to 8x. So this first term is 8x. The next one is derivative of 2y squared, and so we say quickly, yeah, it's 4y, but y could be a function of x. So we say dy dx, and it doesn't simplify any more than that, so we leave it like that. Last one, derivative of a constant, 0. Love it. So let's put these in. So we get 8x plus 4y dy dx equals 0. So we simplify it, so we get dy by itself. Okay, so we've got 4y dy dx equals negative 8x. Therefore, derivative of y with respect to x simplifies down to negative 2x divided by y. This is the answer for part A. They are looking for the slope or the derivative in general. So we take this slope of the function, we say, alright, we're interested in it at a point 1, negative 2. So we know x is 1, y is negative 2, and here's the function right here, so we're going to stick the points in. So x comes up here on the top, so negative 2 times 1 will be on the top of the slope right there, and y equals negative 2 is going to be on the bottom. We end up with negative 2 divided by negative 2, or a slope of 1. So, how to find the rest of the equation? Use this y equals mx plus b and start filling it in. Y is negative 2. M is 1, x is 1, and b is unknown. So, negative 2 equals 1 plus b, which means negative 3 has to equal b. When we stick it back in this equation, we'll get y equals m, 1, x plus b, in this case, minus 3. And there's your second answer.